If you have a bankruptcy on your credit report, then this is the video for you. Now, keep in mind when it comes to credit repair, nothing is 100% guaranteed to be removed from your credit report. That being said, one of the oldest methods in removing a bankruptcy is still very effective in removing bankruptcies. Again, remember, nothing's guaranteed in credit repair. So what you want to do is you want to send a letter to LexisNexis disputing that bankruptcy. And the number one way to get a bankruptcy deleted from LexisNexis is using a right to privacy. As crazy as that sounds, I'm telling you, that is the number one way to get a bankruptcy deleted from LexisNexis. Then you're going to wait on the deletion from LexisNexis to come in the mail. At the same time, you're going to mail the bankruptcy court and ask them if they shared your information with credit reporting agencies. You're also going to wait on that to come in the mail. It's going to state that they do not share information with the credit reporting agencies. And you want to do all this before you dispute with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you have both of those letters, the deletion letter from LexisNexis and then the letter from the courthouse stating that they do not share with data furnishers, you want to put those together with the bankruptcy, and you want to dispute it with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And you can also use the right to privacy in your round one letter. But what you want to do is make sure that you include, with whatever bureau it's on, it may be on one, it may be on two, maybe on all three, you want to include that LexisNexis deletion letter, and you want to include that letter from the bankruptcy court stating that they do not share information with the credit reporting agencies. You want to mail it off certified mail. If you have the time, go to your local bank or somewhere that'll notarize it for you, have it notarized, sign it, and mail it either certified mail or priority mail. This method is still effective in 2025. I've seen so many videos where people say this doesn't work, and if you want to know why they're saying it, it's because it's a lot of work. They don't want to do the work. They don't want to put in the work. This is the number one reason people use Metro 2. They don't have to put in any work. There's nothing, you don't have to use this up here when you're using Metro 2. You're just relying on a software. And yes, we do use software, but we generate our letters outside of the software. We actually use WordPad or a Word document to create our letters. That way, each letter is custom to each consumer, especially for our pre-litigation credit repair. You can't be sending a ton of letters to the attorneys that have the same exact letter template. And that's another thing I want to talk about, or at least bring up, is letter templates. So many people say, oh, you don't want to use templates, you don't want to use this, you don't want to use that. But they're not realizing they're doing the same exact thing. They're all letter templates. You got them from somewhere. Unless you created it yourself, which we do, but I highly doubt there's many people that do it, it is considered a template letter. If people are either selling them online, you can get them out of the CRC letters tab. You can get them out of Dispute Fox tab, Client Dispute Manager. There's several more. And even like Dispute Beast claims they don't use templates because it generates a letter each time. It's still considered a letter template. That's what you can't get them to understand. They upload those templates into their system, so ChatGPT generates them in a certain manner for every consumer, so each one's different. But anyway, if y'all have any questions about this, please let me know. If you do have a bankruptcy on your credit report and you are not one of my clients, please get your credit reports from My Free Score Now, Smart Credit, Identity IQ, My Score IQ, and email them to me at everythingcredit@icloud.com. You don't even have to sign up for my services. If our attorneys find violations, they're going to sue on your behalf and get you paid and get something removed from your credit report, and it costs you absolutely nothing. And there's nothing like getting paid and getting deletions at the same time. But again, if y'all have any questions about this video or anything else, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.